The title is not clickbait. This is our first actual look at the DJI Pocket 4. We're not looking at some unreal concepts. This was posted by Quadro News on X, a very reliable and well-known leaker. At a first glance, we immediately noticed the most relevant change: the double camera system. Along with the main wide-angle sensor, there will also be a secondary telephoto camera. The 3-axis gimbal obviously remains, but it's definitely a bit larger to make room for the taller camera module. However, we don't really see any significant changes other than the camera, since the rotating screen remains, along with the joystick and the record button. But that's not it, since thanks to the new camera's latest article, we have the first leaked spec sheet of the Pocket 4. However, take these details with a grain of salt, since we don't know where they actually come from and it might just be pure speculation. The rumored spec sheet talks about 1-inch main sensor, like the Pocket 3. But this time, it will be able to record in 8K at 30 frames per second, in 4K at 120 frames per second, and in 1080p at 240 frames per second. The step-up seems logical, since basically all the flagship action cameras now record in 8K. The spec sheet also mentions a 170 degrees super wide FOV mode, like we've seen on the Osmo 360. Another relevant detail about the camera is 10-bit and D-Log-M recording. The tracking will be upgraded, featuring Active Track 7.0, and there's obviously DJI mic compatibility, with up to 2 mics connected simultaneously. The recording time will be 180 minutes at the lowest setting, and it will charge up to 80% in 16 minutes. The last interesting bit from this very packed leak is the quick release mount like all the DJI action cameras. The Pocket 3 came out nearly 2 years ago, in October 2023. And according to this article, the expected release date ranges between late 2025 and early 2026. So there's still time to talk about it. Make sure you're subscribed to receive updates on all the leaks as soon as they come out. I'm sharing a lot of updates in the community posts, so go check them out if you're interested. Finally, the last thing to cover is the price. According to the new cameras article, the Pocket 4 will be priced at $599. Let me know what you think in the comments and drop a like if this video was helpful.